Doctors are asking you and your family to get vaccinated for whooping cough. Here in New Mexico, they are diagnosing people with the disease at a level unheard of just a few years ago. KOAT Action 7 News reporter Todd Kurtz shows us why the country is reaching an all-time high in cases.
If you've never experienced whooping cough, it's a nasty illness and deadly, especially for infants. It's also hard to track. Nationwide, there have been more than 50,000 cases in the last couple of years, and doctors are seeing positive tests at an alarming rate.
We get a report every week about the positives, and every week there's positives.
And that's unique compared to a decade ago?
Yes,
even?
yes, no question.
Recently, parents at La Cueva High School got a letter that 3 students there tested positive.
For every 3 or 4 that we know about, there's probably another tenfold that we don't know about.
That's because it's hard to recognize in adults, so it's critical for adults to get a vaccine.
Most of the vaccine preventable diseases, there's no deaths in America anymore. Measles, polio, you name it. But whooping cough, there continues to be deaths.
3/4 of those deaths are newborns before they reach 2 months old. Doctors are even vaccinating women while they're pregnant. And the Department of Health is so concerned with this rapid rise, anyone who doesn't have insurance can come here and get a free vaccination. Todd Kurtz, KOAT Action 7 News.
New Mexico had nearly 900 cases of whooping cough in 2012.